Hey guys, hello, good morning, welcome back. So this is day 4 and as I said, we are starting our journey towards our final destination, which is Ooty. So obviously it's not final destination. From Ooty we are going to head back towards our home. Okay, so I just switch on now because I thought I'll share the pics of Mysore Palace. Yesterday we couldn't show it. It was quite crowded yesterday. We couldn't get into the palace actually. We got the ticket, we went inside, but inside the palace we could not go because it was Sunday, Christmas Eve, and many people had come there. So it was quite crowded yesterday. But we could see the lightings and then we had a very nice meal in Gufa restaurant, which was again very good. And now morning we are starting afresh and we are heading towards Ooty, and on the way we are planning to have a breakfast because our resort didn't have breakfast at the time when we started. And we are in Bandipur jungle. We just entered a Bandipur jungle. Just look at this. So this is a place where you can actually drive through the jungle. So it is guarded at the both the ends, and this is the place where we are going to cross Karnataka and enter into Tamil Nadu. And the beauty of this place is, I think we are expecting to see some animals. I don't expect to see tiger, but at least some deers or some kind of a wild animals here. So let's hope so we'll get to see them, and in case we see, we'll just log in again and show you the glimpse of those animals. But believe me guys, this is really exciting, thrilling. Welcome back. Just wanted to share this amazing view. I don't know if anyone of you have seen this. So this is on the way to Ooty, and in the middle of this kind of a trail, you'll find this amazing tree. I don't know which tree, but I definitely would like to know which tree is this. But this is awesome. Amazing. I've not seen this kind of a